Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be reviewing the new Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes palette. So this palette is an Ulta exclusive, which means it won't be available at Morphe online nor in the retail stores. It will be available September 16 online and on September 23rd in store. This will retail for $24. I'll have all that information down below along with the links. So this palette comes with the Morphe standard black plastic packaging. It has a snap closure and it does not include a mirror. I honestly wish they started doing their palettes in cardboard instead of the plastic. I just feel they are less bulky. The eyeshadows in the palette have names. They are written on the plastic sheet that comes on top of the eyeshadows. I feel this is another thing I wish Morphe would change and put the names under each eyeshadow. I'm sure a lot of us will really appreciate that. In this palette there are 17 mattes, 16 shimmers, and 2 duochromes. The palette has variation of nudes, blues, bronzy shades, neutral, berry plums, and purples. I love the mixture of colors in this palette and I feel that it would be perfect for fall and winter season. So when I started to swatch these eyeshadows, I noticed that the mattes are very creamy and some of them weren't swatching evenly or pigmented enough. After I passed the first layer of certain eyeshadows, they started to perform better. Some of the eyeshadows that had this issue were Seduced, Hit It Off, Trust, Wild Thing, and Fling. Those eyeshadows have more kick up and some fallout, more than the other mattes in the palette. They also are less pigmented when using a fluffy brush to blend them out. They are pigmented if you are using your finger to pack them onto your lid. And if you want to use these shades as transition shades, you won't have an issue since they are coming out a little bit lighter than they look like in the pan. For the shimmer shades in this palette, I didn't come across with any issues. And like always, I recommend you guys applying these shadows with a wet synthetic brush or with your finger for a better payoff. Please keep in mind that I didn't use a primer nor a base when testing these eyeshadows. So overall, I really like this palette, mostly because I love matte cranberry shades, and in my opinion, this palette has the perfect shades for fall and winter. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.